It only takes 5 seconds for a fun day at the pool to turn into a nightmare.
Wow! This pool is huge! I want to jump in right now!
Slow down, Ben.
Ah!
Careful there.
Whoa! I almost fell!
Just 1 second of not paying attention can be dangerous near the water.
Today, you're going to learn how to stay safe around the water.
Before we get into the water, do you remember the 3 golden rules?
I remember I have to wear my swimsuit.
That's right. But there are even more important rules.
Rule number 1. Always warm up before swimming.
Rule number 2. Wear a flotation device if you're not a strong swimmer.
Rule number 3. Stay in the safe swimming area and never run around the pool.
I remember. Warm up, wear a float, and swim only in safe areas.
Exactly. And there's one more thing.
What is it, Dad?
If you ever end up in deep water, don't panic.
Stay calm and remember what you've learned.
Float on your back, relax your body, and breathe slowly.
I'll remember that.
Let's roll our shoulders. 1, 2, 3.
Next, let's warm up our wrists and ankles.
Why do we have to warm up for so long?
Because your body needs to get ready before swimming.
That helps reduce the risk of muscle cramps.
Oh, I get it now. Can I get into the water now?
Okay.
I love this pool.
Remember to stay inside the safety rope.
Yes, Mom. Oh no, my ball.
Ben, don't go too far.
Just a little farther, Mom. I got it. Ah! My feet can't touch the bottom anymore.
Ben,
Stay calm, Ben.
I'm scared. That's right. Dad taught me.
Float on your
I can
back,
float.
relax your body, and breathe slowly. Great job, buddy. Keep floating just like that.
I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. What are you sorry for? I was so focused on chasing the ball that I forgot the safety rules.
Everyone makes mistakes.
the important thing is that you stayed calm and remembered what you learned.
You handled that situation very well.
Thank you, sir.
Do you still remember the 3 golden rules?
Yes, I do. Warm up before swimming. Wear a flotation device when needed. And always stay in the safe swimming area. Excellent!
How about we go get some ice cream now?
Yay! Let's go! Do you remember the 3 golden swimming safety rules?
Write your answer in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to follow Ben Family's next adventures.